Hi and welcome. Drone survey technology is advancing rapidly. When used correctly, it can provide incredibly valuable information and long-term digital records of a site. Here is a 3D model from a site we surveyed in Wiltshire. As you can see, the entire site has been captured digitally, allowing you to effectively revisit it at any time. To achieve accurate results, we use GCPs, or ground control points, which are established using either a GPS unit or a total station. These GCPs provide precise coordinates that tie the photogrammetry model into a recognized coordinate system. In our case, the British Ordnance Survey Grid. The survey can then be overlaid onto mapping, such as Google Maps, providing an up-to-date and highly detailed view of the site. From this data, we can also generate additional outputs, such as plant health analysis and surface models. These models can be exported into point clouds, which provide highly accurate geospatial data. This allows us to measure elevations, building heights, roads, fields, and boundaries with a high degree of precision. Topographical surveys remain one of the most common methods for mapping sites, but providing a client with a fully interactive 3D drone model gives them the ability to digitally explore the site themselves, helping with planning and decision-making. As an archaeological and heritage company, we offer land surveying services, including topographical surveys, drone surface models, and digital site recording. If you think this could benefit your project, please get in touch through our website using the link below. We are also increasingly incorporating this technology into archaeological recording. While hand-drawn plans remain an important part of archaeology, digital capture methods provide a faster and more efficient way to record data, preserving archaeological features digitally for the future. At Vickers Close, we digitally planned a drainage trench which revealed several archaeological features: a ditch to the north, a central wall with a clearly defined post hole cutting through it, and a cobbled surface to the south. Using this digital planning approach, geospatial data such as dimensions and elevations can be accurately recorded and exported into AutoCAD to produce precise archaeological drawings. The method is suitable for both small-scale investigations and larger sites containing multiple archaeological features.